Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Journaling. It's Wednesday the 31st of January 2024, back at Anfield Road for another expansion update on the progress of Annie Road and the stand itself. Phase 2, doesn't look like it's happening for today's date against Chelsea. We'll get the drone up, we'll have a look around, we'll also go over the pitch and have a look if that red screening is still in place. I'm guessing it will be. Anyway, we'll get a crack on with this update. We might try something different on this one. Stay tuned. Like what you see, click the like, share, subscribe. Let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. And this time we're going to start over the pitch. I want to see where the barrier is, ready for tonight's game. Obviously phase 2 isn't happening now, so I wanted to see if there was any difference to the other games of the barriers. I'm just going to switch to a faster mode just to combat the wind. These guys on the roof there, not sure what they're doing, but I'm climbing, staying out of their way. I haven't been here for a few days, I've taken a bit of a break, but it's good to be back. I'm going to try something different in this video. We'll get to that in a bit. Turn around, start going backwards. I've gone into sport mode because it is windy up here. I'll drop down a little bit. Let's have a look where we are. Drop down a bit more. And there's the barrier. It's about the same place, isn't it? We'll go back up.
Max altitude reached.
Camera back out. So there's not really any changes there. Yeah, we heard that phase 2 wasn't happening. Work is still ongoing on that first floor. I'm not sure how far ahead they are. So without further ado, we'll go to the right hand side and see where we're up to. Obviously they were doing that road section by the main stand
Max altitude reached.
a few days ago. I was down there doing the ground footage when it was really windy. I'm going to drop down a bit. I'm at like over 100 meters at the moment. You've got the TV crews there. I saw BT, Sky Sports. There's probably others also. Ready for the Liverpool-Chelsea game later tonight. So we are now in position. Obviously the tarmac in each end of that little section there looks temporary to me, but without further ado, join me on the ground. I'll look closer, catch you down there. And welcome back to ground level. We are on a road section that was recently built, put together a few days ago. With a temporary tarmac at the end there that will be ripped up and they'll sort that little job out. It's looking really good close up. Right down the bottom. It's fantastic, isn't it? Carry on walking. I'm just walking along the curb area. It looks brilliant. Looks boss. All the under ceiling cladding all done now also, all the way around the shoulder. A little bit of the cladding to be done at the top of that section there. And of course there's a more temporary tarmacking at the bottom there. to be ripped up and laid properly. But yeah, it looks fantastic close up. Let's get back up in the air with the drone. And we are back in the air. As you can see on that video, there's a little bit more cladding to do on that section there just at the top. But it's good to see all that cladding underneath the shoulder going all the way around now. It looks absolutely boss, doesn't it? So yeah, as you can see from this angle, the road is looking really tidy, it's looking neat, and the way it's all matching with the colours and everything, it looks brilliant. So we'll carry on going around towards the back now. But just before we concentrate on the back, I want to concentrate on some lighting that I spotted walking past. It's recently new, I believe, so I'm going to drop down to about 40 meters. Should just be enough to clear the trees. I did find it frustrating when I was doing that ground footage with the wind. My mic works absolutely brilliant when I'm in the air with this drone. Why it won't work with my phone or ground equipment, I just do not know. So I'm resuming on that light there. There's 4 extra lights on the top of there that have been recently added, so I'll add the video clip now. There we're looking at a lot more materials on the floor, a lot more of the upright poles that have got to be erected. Fair for you to go in yet then, by the looks of all that. So I'd stop by, show you close up of another job that's got to be done on Anfield Road. And also, as you saw in that video, all those other poles that are waiting to be put up also in various points around Anfield Road. Yes, you can see the workers, odd workers on site, and there was a few on the first floor continuing to do some work. And here we are at the back of Anfield Road. As you saw, it's just the sections at the end of that plating area to be done, and I'm guessing whatever's got to be done will be going over that plating. But the crane's gone. I'm guessing that'll be back to finish off the coping stones also. But we'll have a look from ground level also, so see you back in a minute. And welcome to ground level. Outside Anfield Road main entrance. It's looking a lot tidier up there now with the sign sections they're doing. Obviously they've got all the back plating on. Each end has got to be filled in, as you can see. So we'll be waiting the next stages of that. Hopefully I'll be here. I'm off next week, so I'll be down a lot more to do some more videos. Little bits of cosmetic jobs at the start of the wall there, with little concrete blocks just sticking out the ground. You can just about make it out. Yeah, let's get back up in the air with the drone and move on, shall we? Notice there's a bit more to be done with the wall on this side, especially with the coping stones. So we'll be seeing that yellow heavy lift the back at some point, probably in the next few days. Still a cosmetic jobs to be done underneath the window section, as you can see there. Some guys are on the roof, but I'm not going to go too close to them. They're probably watching me. A lot of people were a bit disappointed with the final larger stones, with the further stones there, but like I said, I was hoping for the heavier raised stones, and then those faces of them stars of the past would look absolutely brilliant on top of a raised stone like the ones just by the main stand there. But it is what it is. I still think it looks boss, it still looks neat. Just I thought it was a bit of an anticlimax, to be fair. So we'll go around towards the Shankly gates. Still wrestling with that wind a little bit, but I've gone back to cine mode, that's probably why. And you can see there's a little bit more work to be done. I can see at the end there, but GB, join you on the ground. And we are by the Shankly gates, by the Kenny stand side. Bit of temporary tarmac they've laid there at the end of the pathway. I'm guessing that'll be sorted out in the next week or so. A few more cosmetic jobs to be done also by the looks of that. As you go up with the camera slightly, under the roof, well, under the roof, the ceiling cladding gone all the way around the shoulder now. It looks absolutely brilliant, doesn't it? Anyway, let's get back in the air with the drone. And we are back in the air. So, is there another target date in mind from when hospitality's finally going to be done, open, and then the rest of the second tier can be in full capacity? I wonder what that guy's doing on the edge there. Is it something to do with the gutter? He's checking that cladding, isn't he? I just heard him rattling it. I'm going to back off, don't want to get in the way. He was actually checking it. I heard him trying to rattle it, so we are making sure everything is secure, which is brilliant to see. Obviously there's that gap there to be joined up, and that one there, that little gap there also. So we'll scroll out there, we'll zoom out rather. I just want to show you one thing I picked up on earlier. It was a load of trees that are yet to be planted. I've just spotted where they were kept. I'm going to head over there now. There was like a little work compound area, if I can spot it. It was over here somewhere. I'll zoom in the camera. I think you can just make it out now, but I'll zoom in. There. I think there's another 7 trees there yet to be planted. They're the same ones that are going along Anfield Road. So I'm guessing they might be coming down the right hand side of Anfield Road, more than likely. So I think that's going to be the video today, guys. If you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. I hope you like the different kind of way I've done this video. I thought I'd try different. People were happy with the ground footage before, and I wanted to see a bit more of that. Obviously I'm a drone pilot, I want to keep droning also, so I thought I'd merge the two. Please like, share, subscribe, be much appreciative and grateful. Hope we win tonight. Liverpool beating Chelsea. I'll take a 2-0, 2-1. Any kind of a win will do me. If you're watching the game, enjoy it. If you're in the pub, so you're at home. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening. Bye for now. Take care.